Folks, my name is Tom Middlestat. I'm the Regional Vice President for Palm Harbor Homes over in the Houston area, and I've got two houses that are unbelievable. Huge square footage, they're triple wides, and it's time for them to move. We've had them on display for a couple of years, and I wanted to let you know that these homes, because of all the price increase we've had since Harvey and the time they've been on the ground, you can save $30,000 to $40,000. It's called the LaLinda. You need to stop what you're doing right now if you're interested in a good quality home such as Palm Harbor, and call 936-273-6565. Ask for Trey Melcher. If he's out there, talk to Leslie Webb, and let's get you in to look at these houses, saving $30,000 to $40,000 over today's prices with all of the increases in materials, etc. with Harvey. Call us. Check us out on the web at www.conroe.palmharbor.com.